I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. We're here in Atlanta, Georgia at NAMB East. I got Dawar Alimi, who's the co-founder and CEO of LenderPrice. Dawar, thank you for taking the time out of the day to meet with us.
Good to be here. You know, last time we met was at NBA Boston, so really excited to be here at NAMB, and good seeing you.
Great seeing you too. It's really phenomenal what you guys are doing. At NBA Boston, there was a lot of buzz, and it wasn't just because Kevin Costner was there with you guys. You guys really, the technology that you guys are putting out there is phenomenal. I want to ask you a little bit about actually the mortgage broker and third-party originations, because you've created this a lot of this technology, for those guys. What do you like about the model of the mortgage broker and third-party originations?
Right. So this is our first NAMB event. We've been traditionally at a lot of the NBA events, and for us, with mortgage brokers, what we want to provide is an open, accessible marketplace. Okay. We don't want to create technology that's just for the large lenders. We want everyone to take advantage of technology and innovation. So we want the mortgage brokers to have the technology that they need to service their borrowers. So we're excited to be here, excited to service our wholesale lenders, our TPO investors, as well as the brokers that provide them business.
Great. So listen, if you can go a little more into that technology, because you've invested actually this technology to empower the small to mid-sized mortgage origination units to have the technology that the biggest lenders are going to have out there. Talk a little bit about that technology that you put out there.
So what's interesting about our technology is that, one, it's built on the newest frameworks. Now, the reason why that matters is because when you want to provide amazing solutions on your mobile device, look, back in 2000 or 1800s, but prior to that, you didn't have this device. Sure. Now you have it. So the technology matters, and providing accessibility to pricing and product pricing and eligibility is something that's important, not just to the large lenders, but to the small brokers.
Fantastic, fantastic. Well, speaking of brokers, I mean, you guys are here, you're supporting NAMB. Why do you think it's important to support NAMB and events like this?
Well, so according to the last stats that I got from the NMLS, the majority of the mortgage companies in the mortgage space is made up of small mortgage companies made up of 20 loan officers or less. So that's, I think, 80 or 85% of the market. So they need technology, they need solutions, and what's interesting about what we've found here at NAMB is that they're hungry for it. They want it. They want the technologies. We're going to provide it to them.
It's fantastic. Dawar, it's amazing what you guys are doing. We really appreciate it as an industry to bring actually these big, powerful tools to the small to mid-sized guys. It's great. I hope you're having a great conference.
We're having a great conference, and mortgage brokers support NAMB. Bankers support MBA. They're great organizations. You come to these events, you learn a lot. You should come to more events.
Couldn't agree with you more. And I'm Andrew Berman with the Mortgage News Network. Thank you for watching.
This is Mortgage News Network.